Hello, little explorers. Have you ever wondered why sunflowers shine so bright and yellow? Today, I'm going to share a magical secret with you, the secret yellow of sunflowers. Look outside. Can you see the sun rising, spreading its golden light across a field of tall, smiling sunflowers? Watch closely. The sunflowers gently turn their faces to the warm sunlight, almost as if they're giving the sun a great big hug. But why are they so bright and yellow? Let's find out together. Let's shrink down, smaller and smaller, until we can see through the eyes of a busy bee. To bees, sunflower petals aren't just yellow. They're covered in special patterns, like invisible arrows and lines. These patterns glow under sunlight, almost like a secret map, guiding bees straight to the yummy nectar at the center of the flower. Isn't that clever? When bees land on a sunflower, they pick up tiny grains of pollen. Then, they fly off to another sunflower and share that pollen, helping each flower grow seeds. It's teamwork. The sunflower's bright yellow isn't just pretty. It's like waving a friendly flag, saying, "Hey bees, over here. I've got something sweet for you." Now, let's peek inside a sunflower petal. Sunlight travels all the way down, tickling the petal's skin. Inside, there are special things called pigments. They're like tiny artists, painting the petals with that golden, glowing yellow. When sunlight shines on the pigments, the petals seem to glow even brighter. That's how sunflowers get their sunshiny color. As the day ends and the sun sets, watch as the bees drift away, carrying pollen and sunshine with them. The sun, the sunflower, and the busy bees all work together like a happy team, filling the world with color, light, and sweet nectar. Next time you see a sunflower, remember, their secret yellow is a special signal, a gift from nature, and a sign of friendship between flowers, sunlight, and bees. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks for watching Brightbloom. Subscribe for more magical facts, and I'll see you next time.